Welcome to the new segment of the grade 10th. We are discussing the geography, the sixth chapter, that is the manufacturing of the industries. So we are discussed about the classification of the industries, agro-based industries and mineral-based industries we are discussing. In that, in previous classes, steel and iron industries has completed, aluminum industry has completed. So today we are going to discuss about a chemical industry. So whatever we are the using today is those everything is mixture of a little chemicals in a day to day life. So in India, it is chemical industry. It is having a very fastest growth the comparing to the other industries. So it is having a large and small scale manufacturing units. That is growth has recorded in a both inorganic and organic sectors. So inorganic chemicals, that is included some acids as well as fertilizers and synthetic fibers, plastics and paints, the dye suffers as well as nitric acids, soda ashes, the which we are they are the using for to the manufacturing of paper, soaps, glasses. So this industry has widely spreaded in our country. So here in whatever the way we are the using, it is included the chemicals in a things which is used for to the consumers in a which is directly for to the consumer market. They are the sending those chemicals which indirectly we are the using in a day to day life. That is a soap also, in a plastics we are the using, glasses we are the using, detergents we are the using, paper we are the using. So in that we are the using these inorganic chemicals. Another one, it is the organic chemicals, which is without using of artificial chemicals. That is organic chemicals included the petrochemicals, which are the use for the manufacturing of synthetic fibers, synthetic rubbers, as well as plastics, dyes of stuffs, drugs, and making of these syrups, yes, as well as these pharmaceuticals. So in a pharmaceuticals also we are the using the making of different types of the tablets, syrups. That is organic chemicals are the used. The organic chemicals plants are the located near to the oil refiner, refiners, so which are the petrochemical plants. For example, we can take here Bombay also, it is one of refiners. We can see the chemical industry, it is having largest consumers here. That is two main sectors, that is inorganic and organic sectors. So here they are the giving directly for to the things to the consumers. That is a manufacture. After the manufacturing, it will become in the market in the hand of the consumers. The basically it is the chemical undergo processing to the further produce other to the chemical. That is the only used for to the industrial applications. That is mainly the comparing to the other growth, that is agriculture or the directly consumer market. So the agriculture, it is we are the using the pesticides, fertilizers, yes, and mm, uh, the seeds, that is HYV seeds we are the using. That is a hybrid seeds we are the using of the uh, in growth of production of agriculturist, yes. So directly and indirectly we are using these uh, organic and inorganic things in a day-to-day life. So today's segment we are learnt about chemical industries. For a reference, you can refer 10th grade geography textbook. Thank you.